Yeah, I've got to the underneath the Triton. Oh, so let me see what I'm looking at. Oh. Okay, I've gone underneath the Triton and I'm inspecting these wires. I've gone right up from the beginning to the end. And I can't see any, but it doesn't account for every now and then there's boop, 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 it starts jerking. That can only be a solenoid problem, actually. I'll go a bit further into it. Because usually it's up, it should be around here somewhere where it gives you the problem. This is the gearbox. This is the transfer case. I don't see any wire problems whatsoever. I see none, absolutely none. This is generally the hardest that gives you problems. If it gives you a problem, you'll feel it. There still might be a chance there's a break in one of the wires. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it like this. Put the oil in the car. And then I'm going to turn it on and play with it and see if it pop. And then I'll have to, if it does give me problems, I'll have to go to an auto electrician. I'm not an auto electrician. I'm not very good at auto electrics. Oh. Any signs of any damage of any harness? I don't see any. Okay, well, that's about the end as far as I can go with it. I really can't see any damage in any wire. If there's any wire damage, this will be broken. Nothing's broken. It's looking like someone's been in here before. Normally they don't come with this. And, what I'll do is I'll also go through the footage on my TV with larger pictures. See if I can spot anything. See if that is the problem. GoPro, stop recording.